friends, today me and Ritvik will be cooking pasta.
I'm going to be helping her to make the sauce.
So the ingredients for this is pasta. I have taken 4 cups of pasta here, broccoli, some onions. I have taken 3 small size onions or 2 medium sized onions, 2 green chilies, few garlic cloves, 1 egg. For spices I'll be using oregano, basil, pepper powder, all-purpose flour. This is for the sauce. Chicken which has been marinated in pepper and salt. Milk for the sauce. We will need 2 separate pots. One pot in which we will make the white sauce, and a larger pot. To the boiling water we add the pasta and a little bit of salt for it and let them cook. Now I'm adding the broccoli into the boiling water to get rid of any germs in it. Crack an egg into the marinated chicken, mix it and set it aside.
For the sauce, put 2 tablespoons of butter into your medium pot. Add some of your flour and mix it until it is combined. Turn off the heat and add in 2 cups of your milk little by little. Make sure to stir it well to remove any lumps in the sauce. Once the lumps are removed, add in the remaining milk and stir it.
Now into the large pot add some olive oil and let it heat. Now I add the garlic and green chili and cook till the garlic turns light brown. Now I add the sliced onions and the marinated chicken and let it cook for some time with the lid closed.
Now we add our grated cheese into our sauce and let that thicken up.
Now it's time to add the broccoli along with the spices, oregano, basil and pepper powder, and mix them all well, and also add some salt as required. I now add the cooked pasta into this pot and mix it well.
Now we add in our thickened sauce as well as some salt if required. Stir that well and close the lid and let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now our pasta is cooked and ready to serve.
How is it, guys?
Very good.
Awesome.
Myself and Ritvik had a fun time cooking. Thank you for watching.
Please make sure to subscribe and like.